Hello Hornets, it's a terrific Tuesday here at VCHS. We're your host Shahasta.
And I'm Gabby. Let's start with today's lunch. On this terrific Tuesday, we will be enjoying Mexican crispito, Frito salad, Mexican beans, corn, cucumber slices, pineapple, and a cold milk.
Now let's jump into today's national holidays.
And now a rundown of your top 5 news stories.
Hello, I'm Nehemiah, and here are today's top 5 news stories. Cold Florida weather causing iguanas to fall from trees in a frozen state. Bill introduced to bring the Railroad Hall of Fame to Wichita. McDonald's giving away free McNugget Caviar Kits this month. Kansas bill would require kindergartners to be potty trained before starting school. Jellyfish the size of a school bus discovered off the coast of Argentina.
Next, here's today's word and quote of the day.
Disingenuous. Not candid or sincere, typically by pretending that one knows less about something than one really does.
The future belongs to those who believe in the beauty of their dreams. Eleanor Roosevelt.
With the conclusion of the NFL season, many of us will have lots of free time, making us wonder, what's your favorite movie?
My name's Brandon, and my favorite movie is Top Gun Maverick.
My name's Ashlyn Sanser, and my favorite movie is Good Will Hunting.
Hi, my name's Lainey, and my favorite movie is 10 Things I Hate About You.
My name's Kaylee, and my favorite movie is Twilight.
My favorite movie is War Dogs.
I'm Brinley Trotter, and my favorite movie is Knives Out.
My name is Jack Clark, and my favorite movie is Ready Player One.
My name's Javier. My favorite movie is Captain America: The First Avenger.
My name's Rylan Bailey, and my favorite movie is Wally.
Scooby-Doo 2.
With the warm weather and time being spent outside again, we want to hear what's on your bucket list.
My name's Keely.
My name's Lily.
And my item on my bucket list is to go to the Bahamas.
Mine's to drive a really nice car.
My name is Lucas Balthrop, and I'd probably say blowing $500,000 at the casino.
I'm Mr. Salmons. My bucket list item would be to travel overseas, like Europe.
My name is Cheyenne Lang, and what's on my bucket list is to go to Florence, Italy.
Hi, my name is Alex Paulson, and on my bucket list, I want to go see Brazil.
My name is Cody, and on my bucket list, I want to go skydiving.
Up next, it's time for Toon Tuesday.
With another mild winter day ahead, let's take a look at today's weather.
Hello, I'm Shemaya, and here's today's weather. Today we will have a high of 55 degrees with sunny skies and winds at 20 to 30 miles per hour. Tonight we will have a low of 28 degrees and winds at 10 to 15 miles per hour.
And now it's time for a quick blast of the past. We leave you with this day in history.
Stay classy, VC.
February 10th, 1962. A high-profile exchange of prisoners between Washington and Moscow during the Cold War. The Soviet Union releases Francis Gary Powers, an American U-2 pilot shot down while on a reconnaissance flight over its territory. In return, the U.S. hands over Rudolf Abel, a Soviet spy. 1992. In Indianapolis, boxer Mike Tyson is convicted of raping a beauty pageant contestant. Tyson is sentenced to 10 years in prison. He spends 3 behind bars. 1949. Arthur Miller's play Death of a Salesman opens on Broadway. The play's protagonist, traveling salesman Willie Loman, becomes a household name. On the same day in 2005, Miller dies in Roxbury, Connecticut at age 89.
I can't understand